Alden ni Chord update. Yan ay the story ni Alden for bench. At may dinner si Alden with Sir Ben Chan. Yan for bench. Yun o. Ito yung video ni Alden. Yan sa bench event. Yan dahil mga sapatos o. Yan nagsama-sama yung mga gwapo. Yan sila Alden. Yan Kyle Echari. And LA Team Yup. Yun o. Corbett. So ito na napunta si Alden ng University of Makati. Ay si Lesang. Nauna na si Alden. Ay bakit sila nagdan? Ang ganda na smile ni Alden. Happy yan. May maswerte pa nga nakapapicture kay Alden. Yan, sana all. So ito yung interview kay Alden.
Kunin ko na lahat ng courses. Parang, so technically, I enrolled dun sa 3 courses na hindi kasama sa scholarship. So full package yun siya. So by the time I graduate, makakapag-maneho na ako ng lahat ng aircrafts available, both privately and commercially, sa aviation school na that I'm in. Meron silang mga simulator, the very latest technology of simulators that they got from the United States. And it actually, para siyang VR, para siyang virtual reality. So it simulates all the things that could happen sa isang flight. So from takeoff to mid-air to landing to engine failure to engine fire to terrain landing to water landing, lahat yun ipaparamdam sa'yo firsthand. So niland ko siya, it's an A320 simulation. Then nakakatawa kasi parang I landed it smoothly and parang since they started the school and it's gonna be their 20th anniversary now, parang wala pa daw nakagawa na baguhan nun. So that gave me more excitement to really dive into this. I mean, this is a childhood dream of mine. And right now kasi after 2024, I told myself na 2025 and the years beyond will be my time for myself naman. So unahin ko naman yung sarili ko. And may ultimate dream kasi ako na to be a reservist pilot for the Air Force who will ride the F-16s, mga fighter jets.
Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. This is with Shorty Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.